हेलो बच्चों, इस एपीसोड विच तुसी विभिन्न प्रकार के समूहों बारे सीखोगे। तुसी जरूर जानते होवोगे कि एक समूह पूरी तरह परिभाषित चीज़ों का इकट्ठ या संग्रह हुंदा है। आओ हुण शुरू करिए।
Consider the collection of geometrical figures consisting of a triangle, a square, a rectangle, and a pentagon. In this collection, consider the set A of geometrical figures with 6 sides. Is there any such figure? Obviously no. There is no such figure. Hence, this set of figures containing 6 sides is an empty set. Thus, you can conclude that a set containing no elements is called an empty set. An empty set is denoted either by the Greek alphabet pi or a pair of curly brackets with no element inside it. Can you count the number of stars present in our solar system? 1. Our solar system has a single star, that is the Sun. Hence, the set of stars present in our solar system is a singleton set. Thus, a set containing exactly one element is called a singleton set. Can you count the number of books kept in a library? They are large in number, still you can count them, as there are a fixed number of books in a library. Hence, the set of books in a library is a finite set. Thus we conclude that a set consisting of no elements or definite number of elements is called a finite set. How about counting the stars in the sky? Quite impossible, since the number of stars in the sky is not finite. You cannot count them. Hence, the set of stars in the sky is an infinite set. Thus, a set containing infinite number of elements is called an infinite set. Suppose you have two sets A and B of 5 balls, each of same color and size. When you mix the two sets, you cannot tell which ball belongs to which set because both the sets contain exactly same balls. Hence, A and B are equal sets. Thus, the sets having exactly the same elements are called equal sets. Can you differentiate between equal sets and equivalent sets? Consider a set A of 10 pens and set B of 10 pencils. Both the sets A and B are different but have the same number of elements, and hence A and B are equivalent sets. Thus, two finite sets A and B are equivalent if they have the same number of elements. Consider the set X as the set of all the members of our solar system and Y as the set of planets revolving around the Sun. You know that planets are a part of our solar system, so the set of planets is the subset of our solar system. Thus, if every member of set Y is also a member of a set X, then set Y is called a subset of set X and set X is called the superset of set Y. In fact, in the solar system, the set of planets contains only the planets present in our solar system. The set of planets excludes other members like the Sun, natural satellites and asteroids, which are also part of the solar system. Hence, the set of planets is not equal to the solar system. Thus, the set of planets is a proper subset of the solar system because a subset is termed a proper subset only if it leaves out at least one element of the set. Interestingly, a given set is a subset of itself. For example, all the numbers of the solar system belong to the solar system. The subset consisting of all the members of the given set is called an improper subset. An empty set is the subset of all sets. Ever heard of a set of sets? Such a set of sets is called a power set. To be exact, power set of a set is the set of all its subsets. Let S be the set containing the elements 1, 2 and 3. Now the subsets formed from the set are 5, 1, singleton 2, singleton 3, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 1 and 1, 2, 3. Hence the set formed by all these subsets is the power set of set S and is denoted by P of S. A set is the subset of its power set. Let us line up the subsets that form a part of the power set. If S be the set consisting of elements 1, 2 and 3, then the empty set phi, the set S itself will always be the members of its power set. Hence, you can conclude that power set can never be empty. For the set S, you have 8 subsets, elements in the power set. Any guesses about how it becomes 8? Simple. 8 is obtained by S2 raised to the power 3. So for any set A containing m elements, its power set contains 2 to the power m. That is, the order of a power set is 2 raised to the power m, where m stands for the number of elements in the given set. A set that contains all the elements of this set under consideration is called the universal set. It is denoted by letter capital U. Suppose you have a set X containing all the math books in a library and set Y as the set of all English books. Here you are considering the different sets of books in a library, and the set of all the books in a library is the universal set.
ਹੁਣ ਤੱਕ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਵਿਭਿੰਨ ਪ੍ਰਕਾਰ ਦੇ ਸਮੂਹਾਂ ਬਾਰੇ ਜਾਣਿਆ ਹੈ। ਆਓ ਹੁਣ ਇਸ ਤੇ ਆਧਾਰਿਤ ਕੁਝ ਉਦਾਹਰਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਹੱਲ ਕਰੀਏ।
Now let's see an example. Check whether the given set A is a null set or not. The given set A is the set of all x such that x is less than 5 and x is greater than 6. Now its solution. Here the given set is set A, which is the set of all x such that x is less than 5 or x is greater than 6. To check the given set is a null set or not, we will check certain elements belong to the set A or not. We know that if a number is less than 5, then it cannot be greater than 6 Therefore, for given set A, if x is less than 5, then x cannot be greater than 6 for all x belonging to the given set A. Therefore, we can say that there are no elements in set A. Therefore, we can say that set A is a null set. We can say that it is an empty set. जो कि ਅਸੀਂ पता करना है. Now let's see another example. Check whether the given set S is a singleton set or not. The given set S is a set of all x such that modulus x is equal to 7, where x is a natural number. Now its solution. Here the given set S is the set of all x such that modulus x is equal to 7, where x is a natural number. We know that as modulus x is equal to 7, this implies x will be equal to plus minus 7. Now, x equal to minus 7 does not belong to the set of natural numbers. Therefore, for the given set S, it will be a set containing element 7. Here we can see that as there is only single element in the set S, thus we can say that the set S is a singleton set. जो कि ਅਸੀਂ पता करना ਸੀ. Now let's see another example. There are two sets, set A and set B, where set A is the set containing elements A, B, C, and set B containing elements 4, 7 and 10. Check whether set A and set B are equivalent or not. Now its solution. Here the given sets are set A containing elements A, B and C, and set B containing elements 4, 7 and 10. Here number of elements in set A is 3, and also number of elements in set B is 3. So therefore we can say that number of elements in set A is equal to number of elements in set B. Thus we can say that set A and set B are equivalent sets because we know that two finite sets are said to be equivalent if they have the same number of elements. So इथे set A ਅਤੇ set B equivalent sets ਹਨ जो कि ਅਸੀਂ पता करना ਸੀ. Now let's see another example. Check whether set A and set B are equal sets or not. The given sets, set A is set of all x such that x square is equal to 4 where x is a natural number and B is a set containing element minus 2. Now its solution. Here the given sets are set A, which is the set of all x such that x square is equal to 4 where x is a natural number, and B is a singleton set containing element minus 2. For the given set A, first of all we will write it in the roster form. As set A is the set of all x such that x square is equal to 4 where x is a natural number. Now as x square is equal to 4 implies that x is equal to plus minus 2 but x is a natural number. This implies minus 2 does not belong to the set A. So therefore set A is the set containing single element, that is 2, and further set B is also a singleton set containing element minus 2. So it is clear from here set A is not equal to set B as they do not contain same elements. Hence we can say that set A and set B are not equal sets, ਤਾਂ ਇੱਥੇ set A ਅਤੇ set B equal sets नहीं ਹਨ, जो कि ਅਸੀਂ पता करना ਸੀ। Now let's see another example. If set A containing elements 3, 6, 7 and set B containing elements 2, 3, 7, 8 and 10, then check whether set A is a subset of set B or not. Now its solution. The given sets set A containing elements 3, 6 and 7 and set B containing elements 2, 3, 7, 8 and 10. To check whether set A is a subset of set B, we will check whether the elements of set A belongs to the set B or not. First of all, as 3 belongs to the set A, 3 also belong to the set B. As 6 belongs to the set A, it does not belong to the set B. As 7 belongs to the set A, it also belongs to the set B. Here one element, that is 6 of set A, that does not belong to the set B. Therefore we can say that set A is not a subset of set B, as there is one element, that is 6, that does not belong to the set B. ਤਾਂ ਇੱਥੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਕਹਿ ਸਕਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਕਿ set A set B ਦਾ subset नहीं है, जो कि ਅਸੀਂ पता करना ਸੀ।
ਤੁਸੀਂ ਵਿਭਿੰਨ ਪ੍ਰਕਾਰ ਦੇ ਸਮੂਹਾਂ ਤੇ ਆਧਾਰਿਤ ਕੁਝ ਉਦਾਹਰਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਹੱਲ ਕੀਤਾ ਹੈ। ਆਓ ਹੁਣ ਇਸ ਤੇ ਆਧਾਰਿਤ ਕੁਝ ਹੋਰ ਉਦਾਹਰਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਹੱਲ ਕਰੀਏ।
Now let's see another example. A set A containing elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 9 and 10. That is all the natural numbers less than equal to 10. Now write a subset of set A that contains all multiples of 3 and another subset of A that contains all the even numbers. Now its solution. The given set A containing elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10, that is all the natural numbers less than equal to 10. Now first, subset of set A that contains all multiples of 3 . So first of all we will find out all the multiples of 3 which lies between 1 and 10. Here multiples of 3 belongs to the set A, 6 belongs to the set A, 9 belongs to the set A, 12 that does not belong to the set A. Therefore, let the given subset be B, which contains all multiples of 3, that is, it contains elements 3, 6 and 9. It is a subset of set A. Now, for the another subset that contains all the even numbers, so even numbers belonging to the set A are 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. So therefore let it be a set C, which is containing element 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10 will be a subset of set A. So there are subset B of set A containing all multiples of 3 and another subset set C of the given set A containing all the even numbers, जो कि ਅਸੀਂ पता करना है. Now let's see in another example. How many elements do power set of set A have if set A is a set containing elements 1, 2 and 3. Now its solution. Here the given set is set A containing elements 1, 2 and 3. Therefore, number of elements in set A is 3. Now, as per the definition of power set, number of elements of the power set of set A is 2 raised to the power number of elements in the set A, that is equal to 2 raised to the power 3, that is equal to A. Therefore, number of elements in the power set of set A is 8. जो कि ਅਸੀਂ पता करना. Now let's see another example. Write all the possible subsets of set A containing elements A, B and C. Now its solution. The given set is set A containing elements A, B and C. Because we know that phi and the set itself is the subset of the set. Therefore, for the given set A, 5 is a subset of set A, and also set A itself is the subset of set A. Now, for the rest of the subset, set A containing singleton element A is a subset of set A. Set containing singleton element B is a subset of set A. Set C containing singleton element is also subset of set A, and set containing elements A and B is a subset of set A. Set containing elements B and C is a subset of set A, and set containing elements A and C is a subset of set A. Thus, we can write the power set of the given set A, that is set containing elements phi, set containing element A, set containing element B, set containing element C, set containing elements A and B, set containing elements B and C, set containing elements A and C, and set A itself containing elements A, B and C. जो कि ਅਸੀਂ पता करना ਸੀ. Let's see another example. State whether set A is finite or infinite. The given set A, is set of all x such that x is a natural number and x is prime. Now its solution. Here the given set is set A, which is the set of all x such that x is a natural number and x is prime. As the given set A is the set of all prime numbers since the set of all prime numbers is infinite set, as it contains infinite number of prime numbers. Therefore, we can say that the set A is an infinite set जो कि ਅਸੀਂ पता करना ਸੀ। इस एपिसोड विच तुसी सिक्ख्या है a set containing no elements is called an empty set. It is denoted by pi or curly brackets with no elements in it. Set containing one element is called a singleton set. A set containing finite number of elements or no element at all is called a finite set. A set containing infinite number of elements is called an infinite set. Two sets A and B are said to be equal if all the elements of set A are in set B and all the elements of set B are in set A. Set A is said to be subset of set B if all the elements of set A are in set B and it is denoted as A subset of set B. Set of all subsets of a given set is called its power set. A set which contains all sets under consideration is called a universal set.
ਇਸ ਐਪੀਸੋਡ ਵਿੱਚ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਵਿਭਿੰਨ ਪ੍ਰਕਾਰ ਦੇ ਸਮੂਹਾਂ ਬਾਰੇ ਜਾਣਿਆ ਹੈ। ਉਮੀਦ ਕਰਦਾ ਹਾਂ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਐਪੀਸੋਡ ਪੂਰੀ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਸਮਝ ਆ ਗਿਆ ਹੋਵੇਗਾ।